Hi best buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. And today we're going to work on the Botanical tucks for junk journals. So if you check out my other video that I entitled a tutorial botanicals and doilies, and I showed you how to make this pretty little number, I'm going to now show you what you can do with that. And this says forevermore, and we've got some buttons here, and it says treasure and memories, and this is a beautiful lavender bloom. And this little tag just sticks right in there. This one's my favorite. It says kindness, and then it says blessed and memories, and this is a beautiful pink miniature rose. And that's just like that. Now you can take these and you can glue this part right down onto your page in your journal, and then you'll have a tuck right there. And then this one is a beautiful little pansy. Look at its little face. And it says wonderful with a, this is just muslin tea-dyed piece of fabric that I have frayed and glued down. And then the buttons, and this says cherish and amazing. And here again, it just slips right in just like that. All right, so let's get started. So we have got our little botanical and doily already pre-made. And how I did these circles is that I just took my piece of paper and I just laid this down, and I took my pencil and I just drew around lightly, and get it in frame, and that would be better, lightly, and to draw my circle, and then I cut it out. And then on the bigger one, I have this that just happens to fit perfectly the circle I wanted, the size, and I just cut that around, drew that around, and then cut it. And that is how I got these two circles right here. So I'm just going to quickly ink this up. I hope everyone is doing fine today. I am so sorry that it's been a little while since I published a video, but what happened was I was getting ready to publish a video. I was already all set up, and my computer froze, totally just froze. So I had to take my computer to my sweet son-in-law, and he got my computer working again. And so that is what has happened, why I hadn't been doing any videos, is because I didn't have a computer that was working. And actually, you know, I really missed doing my videos and talking to everyone. And if you enjoy my videos, please pick the like button, and that way everyone can get my videos out there a little better, because you know I am a small channel, and I would really like to grow with all of your help. I really would like to grow. So the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to sew these very quickly. I'm going to sew this one just around the edge, where you don't have to, but you know I like to sew paper, so I'll be back in just a second. Alrighty, and we're back. So I'm going to take the little botanical and the doily, and I'm going to ink the back of it, just like so, and ink it. I'm not inking it. I'm gluing it. This is called glue, Cathy. This is called glue. Okay, so we're going to do that. Just like that. So you saw me use this stamp. I got this stamp the other day. It is the coolest stamp. Look, it's just a square, and it's got stamps all the way around it, and I used that one right there. I got this at Tuesday morning the other day when I went out running errands. I decided to run in and see what they had new, and they had this, and I absolutely love it. And that's what I used on this right here. Yes. Alrighty, I need to cut my little pieces here. String of thread. Okay, so this is going to fit right down like this. So next, we're going to take our buttons, and what I did with the buttons was I took a button and I took some embroidery thread, and I just went through one hole, down one hole, and I went up through the other. If I can get this, done here on camera. Let me try this on this way. Put it back through the hole. There we go. And then I just tied it in a knot. And I just do, if it has 4 holes in the button, I just do 2 on opposite sides of each other. And then I cut it short, cut the thread short. Like that. So it looks like that. And I just put the buttons with the knot side up. And so what I did was I put 2 buttons like I put buttons. I'm using these little holes, these little, this right here, of the doily, to kind of position where I put the buttons. And so it's going to go like this, so I'm going to position it just like that, keep this straight. And then what I did was I took some cream colored paper, and I have this Tim Holtz Ideology design tape, and it has the words on it. And so I just took the tape and I rolled it out and I put it on here, and then I cut the words out. And so I ended up with little words like this on the cream colored background. So I'm just going to ink this up very quickly. I'm looking for my glue book or my wax paper. I don't see. Here's my glue book. Here it is. So we're just going to ink these up. This one says memories. This one says kindness. And this one says amazing. Alrighty. Now let's go ahead and fix the bottom so it makes the tuck. So you can either run a line of glue right down here and then apply this like this and then hold it, and then it will, form a bond, or you can sew it, and you know what I'm going to do, so I'll be right back. All right, everyone, I'm back. So I have sewn right along the bottom, so now it is a tuck spot. So let's go ahead and anchor down the buttons with the knot side up. So if I can get my ink, I'm telling you, I'm renaming things. My glue, here it is, I see it, it's coming. There, we're just going to put little dots here of glue and put the buttons down just like that. And then we're going to put memories at the top, I do believe. And we're going to put a little bit of glue. That's a lot of glue. Just want a little bit of glue. Kindness. I'm going to have this one say amazing. just like that. It's looking adorable, guys, just adorable. Alrighty, so now we've got the little tag to make, and what I did was I took this piece of paper, which was not double printed on both sides, and I folded it and I cut it. Then I sewed it and inked it. So what we need to do now is we need to add a little tab, a handle, a pull. So we're going to fray this just a little bit if it cooperates for me, just by pulling the threads out. There we go. Just like that. Perfect. And it's tea-dyed. It's just muslin. It's tea-dyed. And we're going to add that right like this with a little bit of glue. So we're going to put a little bit of glue. Glue's already getting tacky, tacky, tacky. You can hear it. Come on, little glue. I think it's about time I need to get another bottle. I can use this when I'm not on video. I have more time to get the glue out. Just going to adhere it just like that. Just as simple as that. Then we're going to put a tiny bit of glue on the word memories, and we're going to put it right here on the very top, but we'll still let our fringe show, because the fringe is so very adorable. There we go. Got glue on my fingers. And let's take a look how this turned out. It's absolutely precious, you guys. Absolutely precious. You guys, if you enjoyed this and I made you smile today, please subscribe, and don't forget to pick that share button, or the like button, I'm sorry. Pick the like button. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye now.